welcome back to my channel. Today is a chilly day here in the mountains, but it is a great day to tap. So today I thought I would give you a little TikTok challenge. I'm gonna give you a little rhythm combination and I would love to see you do a speed challenge on TikTok. So don't forget to tag me and make sure to stay until the very end of the video. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna start out on our right foot today and we are gonna start out with chug. So the pattern will be this: chug, 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 ball, chug, chug. We're going to do that twice in a row. Let's do that all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Chug, 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 ball change, chug, 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 ball change, chug. The counts for that are 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From there, we are going to do a step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel. The timing will be 1 and 2 and 3, E. Then we're going to do a paradiddle, paradiddle, stamp. So all together from the step heels, we have 1 and 2 and 3, E and 4, E and. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, E and 4, E and. So from the beginning, from the chugs, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Chug, 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 ball, chug, 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 ball, chug, chug. Step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, paradiddle, stamp. We're going to do that 2 times. Step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, paradiddle, stamp. Step, heel, toe, heel, step, heel, paradiddle, stamp. From here, we're going to do 4 paradiddles. We have 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. Let's try all of that from the beginning with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. From here we do dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel. Again, that is dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel. Yeah. So we just did the 4 paradiddles and we're going to go into that next section. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 5 E and 6 E and. From here we are going to do dig, spank, brush, heel, smack. And we're going to put our weight on that smack. So again, from the paradiddles, we have 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 5 E and 6 E and 7 and 8. Let's try all of that from the beginning, and we're almost done. A little bit more to go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 5 E and 6 E and 7 and 8. One more time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 5 and 6 E and 7 and 8. From here, we do 2 heels. Heel, heel, roll out, heel, roll out, heel, roll out, heel. So again, we're here. We just did the smack. And then we're going to do heel, heel, pull up, heel, pull up, heel, pull up, heel. Then we're going to do brush, brush, heel, step, heel, brush, brush, heel, step. So again, from the heel, heel, pull up, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. And you're kind of rotating on that a little bit. So you start out here, heel, heel, pull up, heel, pull up, heel, pull up, heel. Then we do brush, brush, heel, step, heel, brush, brush, heel, step. Let's do it from the 4 paradiddles with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 5 E and a 6 E and a 7 and a 8 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8. Okay, let's try the entire thing. One time slowly, one time a little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 E and a 4 E and 5 and 6 and 7 and an 8 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and 5 E and a 6 E and a 7 and a 8 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8. Good job, you guys. One time, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 E and a 4 E and 5 and 6 and 7 and an 8 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 5 E and a 6 E and a 7 and a 8 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 5, 7 and 8. Whew! We did it. I lost my breath while I was counting there. So I want to see this on TikTok, and I want to see the speed challenge. I want to see you getting faster and faster and faster and faster and not missing any sounds. So make sure to tag me and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and I hope you have fun with this combination. Bye, guys.